Hey, what's going on, guys? So, if you have been following my videos, you know I love make.com, and over the past 12 months, it helped me to earn thousands of dollars and has given me the lifestyle that I want actually. So, and also it's allowed me to automate large portion of my workflow that I never thought I could. Now, if you are here watching this video, odds that you want to do this, that too, right? So whether you want to be in my position or you just find some of the things that I say about make.com interesting, you are in the right place. But here's the problem. The way make.com is being taught right now on the internet is just plain shit. It's being taught by people who don't really know the fundamentals of make.com and also don't know like how to make high ROI system on make.com, right? And that's too much focus on like sub knowledge that won't get you positive ROI. And this is what I have noticed the gap in the industry, and I want to fix that. So that is why I have come up with the idea that over the next 2 to 3 months, I'm going to record myself a course called Make High ROI System with Make.com for people who really want to make money. And this is something that I have thought about a lot. And when I first started, I watched and read all of these make.com fundamentals videos, systems, how to create systems, how to automate certain things. But man, I don't care any of that stuff. And I was like, just teach me how to print money. And that's the initial thought when I started learning about make.com on the YouTube. And at that particular time, none of them are like teaching the real stuff that actually makes money with make.com. So that is what I'm about to change with make.com. So if you are interested, follow this series along and also watch this video entirely, because in this video I'm going to share about what I'm going to cover in in this particular series, and where you can get all of that stuff, right? So yeah. So here's the Notion doc. So let me share my screen and show you the Notion doc that I have created for you guys, which outlines the series. Uh, what are the things that I'm going to cover? So I have left few section blank for your requests, because I want to interact with you guys and build system you actually want to use. So it is not about me, it is all about you guys. What do you want to actually build, and what are the things that is actually matters to you, right? Which can help you to automate workflow that can save you tons of times and make you a lot of money. So that is what this series is all about. So I hope like you get the idea about this series. So now let's talk about the basics of the make.com. So what is a make.com in general? So if you're new here, make.com is high quality cloud software that lets you connect dozens of different applications in real time, right? It's like becoming a developer without knowing how to code. You are just doing drag and drop modules, and it empowers business owners who don't have time to learn scripting and automate their workflows. So make.com is basically helps you to interact between two applications or multiple applications through interface. Now imagine, so like why you should care about that. So now imagine every task in your workflow becoming an 10 times easier, right? So whatever task you want to do, if you can automate it through make.com, it can be 10 times easier, and it can also like saves you uh, tens thousands of hours. So that's the power of make.com, right? By spending little time to learn it, you can simplify your operations and start earning thousands of dollars plus saving tons of times. It's a game changer for making your professional life as easy as possible. Here's what's coming into this particular series. So you can just see my doc. These are the things that you can expect me to cover. Plus, there are a few blank space, which will be covered by you guys, right? So you can request a system, and I will build it live for you. So basically, first thing that I'm going to cover is intro to Mac.com. Basically, what it is, why it is powerful, and how it compares to other platforms like Zapier, Publi, and there are plenty of other platforms which we will compare. Then Make.com basics, a complete walkthrough of Make.com from signing up to understanding the module, using the operations, everything. Then there's a system which is like very requested system on the internet, which is like email automation with AI. So we will practically build starting with automating email responses using AI. And I guess I already have one video on the channel in which I'm covering that. But again, we will go deep into that. Then webhook. I already dropped a video on webhooks, which can go and watch by visiting my channel, or I will drop a link in the description box below, so you can click on the link and watch the video. I have explained everything about webhook and then how you can use that practically, right? Then building CRM. So we are also going to see how to create the automated workflow of CRM systems using make.com. So you can almost automate each and everything in your CRM, from getting the list of prospect to changing the status to sending the messages, everything. Then we're also going to build a hiring for system, and I believe that I already have one video around that, but still I will create another video going very much deep into it, and also like covering a lot of other aspects which I haven't covered in the previous video. So yeah, then web scraping. Again, it is the most search term in the automation industry, like how to scrap the website automatically at scale, right? So we are going to cover that using AI, of course. Then automating PR, so setting up PR request and newsletter to run on autopilot. So we are going to see how to do that. Then we are going to cover iterators and aggregators, which are like very important thing, very important topics in the Make.com, and it will literally help you to achieve a lot of things which you cannot imagine, right? So so this is bit of a advanced operation in Make.com to handle the complex data, but yeah, I will simplify it to you to help you to understand all about it. And there are plenty of more things that we are going to cover in this particular series, but again, I will keep adding those topics in the Notion doc. So just click the link in the description box below and you will get this Notion docs, and time to time check it, keep checking it, because I'm going to add a lot of new other topics in the in this particular doc, so you'll get an instant update on that as well, right? So yeah, also, I want to hear from you if there is a specific system that you are curious about. Just drop a comment. I'll pick the most relevant and useful request and build the system live in front of you on this channel. Also, I'm about to launch the community very soon. So any of you guys are interested in joining that community, and I'm hoping that a lot of people would be interested in that, because in that community I'm going to drop a lot of things that is not available on my channel, on my YouTube channel. So any of you guys are interested, I have given the link of the form in the description box below. Just click on that link, follow that form, join the wait list. And also it's not for everyone. Again, I'll tell you like who is this for, right? So again, it's for only those people who are like really interested about the make.com and automation, and make high ROI through automation, plus people who want to learn things and people who are like open-minded. This community is only for those people. So if you're not if you don't have any of these traits, don't join that. So yeah, and also like if you have been hesitant to dive into make.com, or if this is your first step into workflow automation, don't worry. By the end of this series, you will know everything you need to start generating thousands of dollars, or I would say hundred thousands of dollars, and making your workflow smoother than ever. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. Next up, we will deep diving into the make.com basics. that you won't want to miss out, right? So make sure to like this channel, subscribe this channel, and hit the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.